Hello, I'm Terrence Payne. I'm the CEO of TMM Enterprises Group. And of course, the purpose of this particular review is to provide information, background, in my opinion, of Xanthus software solutions. Uh, Let me say this, this could be a very brief and direct review. I'm highly satisfied with their services. I have been using Xanthus for many years and have been affiliated with their management team for over 18 years. I would highly recommend that if you are seeking to develop an application, consider Xanthus. If its budget, consider Xanthus. If its capability, consider Xanthus. If it's understanding of what you're anticipating developing, consider Xanthus. They're very good. Mernal Nagricha, the principal of the company, is outstanding. Their service is terrific. And of course, number one, their cost and price for service is definitely affordable. Their service quality is excellent. Their technical ability is excellent, and their overall operation is excellent. I would give them 5 stars and highly recommend that you at least give them an opportunity to quote the project for you. Uh, but I would highly recommend that you utilize them, especially if budget is a consideration, time constraints are a consideration, and also service and quality are considerations as well. Thank you. God bless you all, and consider Xanthus. Thank you.